Well, would you look at that? Barry Robertson, top of the league in terms of goals. Amini Adu got injured in the second game, even when he was in brilliant form. The table looks like this so far: Southampton, Huddersfield, Bristol City, then us, Khan Labs FC. We've lost against Sheffield United. That was the only thing we missed. You missed, and won against Ipswich Town, and I think drew against West Brom or Coventry, or one of the two. So yeah, we lost 2, then won the first match against Ipswich, and we won the last one 2 against someone else. No, that was Ipswich. Let's see Amini Adu. Iheanacho. Kelechi Iheanacho is there. He's a great talent. Amini Adu. How did Amini Adu sounds so wrong. Campbell. He's my new signing, central midfielder and central defensive midfielder. He's the replacement for Grimes, who's like 29 right now. If I compare them, I didn't know they had all these things as the same, apart from team player, long shot taker. Look at that. In most areas, Grimes is technically better. Technically, short pass, penalties, just about. It's very, very close. So I'm finding a regen before someone else's. Oh, and I've got Styles here, who's already been there. He's one of my best diverse players. He's my, basically, Gary Neville. Cardoso, he's getting a bit upset. He will play the next game, don't worry. He's in bad form. Martin, he can play either central mid CDM, but I made him to a CDM. Guindo, if I compare him to Montero.
Complain about today is the weather.
Right, Captain Wilson.
My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And the focus is very much on live action from the Championship. Stuart, tell us about your pre-match thoughts.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
I'll give the ball. Yes. This guy, even though he's rated 67, he actually helps me. I think it's just a glitch in the game. How can he still be 67 after being my number 1 centre back for ages? Wait, crap.
And that's going to be the goalkeeper's ball. Pretty routine there for the goalkeeper. Well, there's been quite the focus on him coming into today's game, facing his former club, facing his past, and that's not always straightforward, is it, Stuart?
It can work either way. Some players are inspired and play really well, some feel overawed. I hope for his sake it's the first.
Oh crap. What a goal! Roomies. Look at this.
Well, we can see it again now, and it all starts with the pass over the top. It takes out so many defenders, but I don't think the keeper should be beaten in his near post quite so easily. I thought that was stoppable.
So the match has restarted, 1-0. Here.
Oh crap.
Campbell.
Wait,
And he read it
can't
well.
see.
Well, he really is danger personified, but in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, how can you stop him? If you get too tight, he'll use the space behind you, drop off, and he'll turn and run at you. Add that to his movement in the box, and you can see why he scored so many goals.
The delivery, struggling to get it away. This could square the game.
Yes!
And that's exactly what has transpired.
Ballo.
Ballo. And momentum is with them.
Well, when you see this again, the defending just isn't good enough. The clearance
That
doesn't
bounce
get
actually
enough height
helped.
on it, doesn't get enough distance on it, and suddenly the ball's being played back into their danger area, and they don't reorganise themselves, and that's why the ball's in the back of their net.
Alright.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller.
Oh my god, playing at West Ham. I know Sam Allardyce.
Running with the ball confidently. Now a decent position.
Oi!
Well, he didn't miss by an awful lot. Wilson with it. And they find a gap in the defence. Could be dangerous.
Oh!
Played over. And a super header. It looked as though it might be going in. Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. Well, it still could be dangerous.
Oh!
Can they stop it going in? A decisive punch by the keeper. And the upshot of that is
What?
offside.
Well, he needed to look elsewhere because the flag was always going to go up.
Pressing hard.
Whoa.
And they have the ball again. Options in the middle.
Yes!
And a goal
Is it offside?
here. There it
No.
is. They've done it.
Well, here's the replay. It all starts with the delivery into the box. Just begging someone to get on the end of it. And then just look at this finish, Derek. He does so well to read the bounce. Often you can send these into Rose's head, but he makes the perfect contact. Stunning goal, really.
So there we have it. 2-1. Lancaster. Crossing opportunity. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Offside by a fraction. Wilson. Davis. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. So 2 minutes of stoppage time to be added on. Moon. Lancaster. Well, far from the ideal pass.
Oof.
So the whistle then. We're at the halfway stage in this match. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half.
Alright. Don't let this slip, don't let this slip. Oh, for God's sake. How the hell are they passing? So blind. Ah!
And space to cross it.
Oh crap, he's doing a bail. Oh, thank goodness.
No high quality defending. Now can they counter clinically?
Oh crap, I was trying to pass up, but Campbell stopped running.
Up a dead end. Another live game in the Championship coming your way on
Hey.
TV. It's Barnsley facing West Bromwich Albion. And now passing it through. Wonderfully weighted pass. Not all that convincing defensively. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Lancaster. Morris. Determined defending. Running with the ball confidently. Crossing possibilities. Oh, a nice looking pass. Well, it looked like a good ball, but cut out in the end. Lancaster. Promising possession, this. And the goal kick is the...
made 3 subs. Hopefully they come on now, yes. Grimes, Cardoso, Guindo. That's me, shit. Hey yo! Why do they do this weird camera
Well, the
change?
away side haven't lost the possession,
I hate
as you
that.
can see. But their attacking
Like, they should
play
have
has been
settings to
really
say only
exciting.
this, only
It's
that.
been a really good display from them so far.
Plenty of options.
Yes!
And there it is.
Grimes!
They wanted for security. They lead by 2. They can breathe that bit more easily.
Well, just look at this again. He moves the ball quickly, he gets beyond his marker, and he keeps his composure. It's an excellent...
And the cross smuggled away. Throw-in is given. Well read to ease the pressure. Davis. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Really good reading of the game to win possession back. And there it is, the final whistle. Not what the home fans were hoping. Second today, that could play a pivotal role in the title race. Stay
On your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
It's a perfect challenge. Since they have the ball, the referee playing
No!
advantage here. Well, a powerful effort, but he couldn't quite cover the save. And now the delivery.
What?
Oh, good save. Excellent header.
Well, the keeper's made a good save, but you just sense a goal is
Oh,
coming
crap.
soon.
Ward-Prowse. Let's pay a visit to Alex Scott.
Ah!
A goal for West Brom. They've scored the opener with 27 minutes on the clock. What a game we have here, Derek.
Many thanks, Alex. Ward-Prowse. Wilson.
Oh crap! He was meant to hit it, but he just left it.
Won it back.
Oh crap!
Passing it through. He might be able to make it through.
Yes!
And top notch as well as brave goalkeeping.
Well, he comes off his line at just the right time.
Right, let's join Alex because I understand there's been a change to the scoreline at the Kirklees Stadium.
It's a goal for...
Might be a chance here.
Oh! What the hell? I can't see.
What purity of strike! Oh, good vision. That is really alert defending just when the situation looked dangerous. And the danger is still there.
Ah!
Well, that surely would have put this game to bed.
Well, definitely, that would have won the game for him. That's a bad miss.
And it is substitution time at this juncture, not just from one side, but from both. There might very well be late excitement, 5 minutes left, and the margin just 1. They are making headway, but really they need a goal.
Come on!
Time not on their side.
Yes! No, it's just a draw. Just get a win, get a win. Get a win.
So underway again here on the back of that leveller. Poulsen.
Oh crap! Move!
Totaling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. Still pushing for a winner,
Ah!
but nothing comes of it. So the final whistle and the end of an evenly fought contest, but focusing on the hosts, what about their performance?
Yeah.
Cameras trained on
Barry Robertson's there, top scorer, but we've also got a new signing from a free agent who's 74 overall, Spanish midfielder, central attacking midfielder. Sounds an awful lot like Juan Mata.
Hello everyone and welcome.
But let's
What
see.
we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions.
Mata's
My
region.
name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfield man, Stuart Robson. And we're on the cusp of bringing you live action from one of the most
crap.
exciting leagues in Europe, the Championship. Stuart, your expectations?
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've
They're
got
already
two
breaking
teams
my
full of
defence.
quality,
Wait.
some interesting matchups, and two coaches that want to play and attract.
Can he take advantage? And the challenge, crisp and clean. Routine, really.
Come on.
Good pressure to win the ball back. Well, someone has found a net, I'm hearing, in the Barnsley game. Who exactly? Alex can tell us.
Yeah, it's a goal for Huddersfield Town. No one was marking him. He had too much time, and it was a simple finish in the end. They've scored the opener here with only 8 minutes played.
Cheers, Alex. There to win it back. He's in here.
Oh,
Oh, a save right under
I was
the top
double-minded.
drawer. Super stop.
why did I
Well,
think
who
so
will be
much?
the player to decide the outcome, to determine the course of events? No reason at all why it won't be this man,
Oh,
Stuart.
Derek, this is a big moment here.
Oi!
So near, off the post.
That's Aguire as well. It would have been so sick.
Giving it a try. Determined defending. The defenders having to cover up.
Well, they won't come closer than that, but they are creating chances, and surely a goal is coming.
Promising attack this. Coming out in front. Brilliantly blocked.
Ah,
And the cross is very much on. Oh, moving it nicely.
oi!
And a free kick awarded by the referee. Played in there.
Oi!
And still danger here.
What the hell? They're diving into my
Well, it
goalkeeper.
came to
That's
nothing
not
in the
foul.
end. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. And very deftly cut out. Can he finish? Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out the danger. And over comes the corner. Goalkeeper's ball, it was always going to be that way. Well, news of a goal in the commentary game. Let's find out who's found the net by joining Alex.
Yeah, it's a goal for Nottingham Forest. They're back level. It's 1-1 with 32 minutes on the clock. I'm really enjoying this one, Derek.
Thanks as always to Alex Scott. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders.
Oh,
Well, deemed to be offside by the merest of margins.
Well, it's very close to being the perfectly timed run, but whether it's an inch or a yard, he's still offside.
Antwi. Still level here, but the pressure escalating. Well, it's gone out of play under real duress.
Well, there you have it. In terms of possession, there's not much in it. It really has been a hard-fought battle so far. One of these teams needs to start taking a risk or two.
Disappointing cross and gobbled up by the keeper. Won it back. And possibilities here. Oh, disappointing. Just when it looked like a surefire opener.
Well, that should have been the opener, Derek. I'm not sure how he's missed that.
Antwi. Will he play it in? A chance then for the respective manager. Getting forward. The delivery towards the back.
Come on!
And there
No,
it
not
is.
offside.
But hang on, the flag has gone up and it's not going to count.
Well, it was a close call, but he is just offside. Good finish, mind you.
Substitution time it is here. Well-timed tackle. Can they take the lead here? And dive in to thwart him.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Can they forge ahead from this corner kick? Let's see. Not the best clearance. Danger averted for
How
now.
did you do that kick up with the ball? None of that burn.
Antwi. Oh, a vital interception. And a change to the scoreline in the
See him, come on.
Southampton game.
Oh.
Alex for the details.
It's a goal for the Saints. The goalkeeper did all he could, but no one was going to stop that one.
Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
Got
Oh, crap.
on the end of this. That's the clearance that was needed. Oh, is he going to be punished here? And that's very good refereeing to let the play flow. And fisted away.
Oh.
Pressing high, and they have the ball again. Well, sincere apologies to Alex, I must say, because we had to cut her off just when she was in full flow. To clarify, Southampton did score in that match. They now lead by 1-0.
Run. Hey!
And a strong tackle. Well, a goal at this stage could be decisive. It's been aimed towards the front post. Well, the referee has
I see him,
instructed the
come
fourth
on.
official to put 2 minutes on the
Whoa.
board. And in with a real chance. It's opened up for it.
Yes!
And a goal it is. The keeper really not part of the equation.
Davis. Fergie time! So was Robertson part of me that pass came true.
The defending is
Quite
really
nice,
poor.
yes.
He won't
And he ran the
make
goalkeeper out, so
simple
he's made
finish
the
with it.
decision easier. That's me.
And there it is, the final whistle. The home
Alright.
fans are going to be
Let's get
happy
to the
with
game.
this result.
To next
there
game.
wasn't much.
Alright, let's get back to the
Reminding
game.
their players of starting the game quickly, hitting the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
Oi! Oh, come on.
Grant. Callum Robinson. Looking for that final pass, looking for the goal that would put them ahead. They just couldn't play that decisive ball.
Oh, come on! How the interception so good? West Bromwich Albion off, for God's sake, man.
And there to intervene. He made it look simple, really. Well, transfer speculation is all part of football, and there's been quite a lot of speculation on this front, but the deal has now been confirmed, Stuart.
Well, he's certainly got ability. A lot of clubs have been in for him, but now he needs to fulfil that potential. He might just have to be patient, though.
Wasted possession again. And space to cross it. Moving the ball effectively, looking for the right moment. And he's breathing a sigh of relief. Ball one. Pressing high to win the ball. Could be troublesome. The pressure was high, and they could be in here. Gives it a go. And blocked for
Yes.
now. Another live
Come
game
on.
in the championship coming your way on EA TV. It's West Bromwich
Oh, what a
champions.
chance. This is Derek.
Oh,
Keeping it out. Danger averted.
Well, what a good piece of goalkeeping that was. But the equaliser can't be long in coming, surely.
Can he find
Oi.
it? And the defender got the last touch. That'll be a corner. Will he play it in? Well, doing the job defensively that time. Martin. Well, do they have a goal? And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Interesting matchups and two coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
It should be. Still possibilities.
right.
Tremendous ball. Can he open them up here? Full credit. Wonderful stop. Over it comes. Going well. Well, as we glance at the... Well, approaching half-time on the home side, very much in charge here, Stuart. Your thoughts?
Well, from an attacking point of view, it's been a very good performance. I've really liked the way they've got the ball from back to...
Not out of the woods yet. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Davis. And the pass could do damage. A goal! Another one! It's turning into an absolute demolition job. Now the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Looks as though they might make real progress on the counter-attack. Not so. Takes aim! Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. And now the delivery. Good pressure high up the pitch. Will he find the net? And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. So on with the action, and 3-1 the scoreline at the moment. Oh, super piece of play. Real chance. And searching for his second, but the keeper equal to the task.
Well, he's looking really lively, isn't he?
In the corner, too close to the goalkeeper that time. And the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Well, it looked highly promising, but it came to nothing. And there goes the final whistle. And the...
All right. So to conclude this episode, I'm gonna have to say such great drastic changes have happened. Signed free agents like Aguire, like he was a Spanish free agent. Sounds like Juan to me, 5'7" and everything. Great technical ability, but really OP at the age of 19. That is something to look out for. I was thinking of signing the one at Watford, central attacking midfielder, the Spanish guy. He was only 70 or 71 overall, but this guy's 74 overall by age 19. And yeah, right now we are second in the league with a game in hand. No, they haven't played their next game. Yeah, so if they play the next game and do that, then it's been good for us. Robertson, there's been 13 goals from him. Aminiado, we haven't had him back yet. He's got a 2 months injury for 2 months out. It's ligament damage from the knees. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you.